After a slow start this cold spring, broad beans are now putting on a spurt of growth. But if you leave them unsupported, they will flop all over the place. Any support can be very temporary, just with canes and string. But if you hold them upright for the next month or so, it'll give more light and air to the plants and make the beans much easier to pick. Pelargoniums need protecting from winter cold and, as this year, spring frost too. But now the nights are getting warmer, they can go outside. Put them somewhere really sunny, pick over any dead leaves or cut back any dead stems, give them a good water, and enjoy the colour and fragrance in full sunshine. To give your tulips as good a chance of flowering well next year as you possibly can, it's worth nipping off the seed heads once this year's flowers have finished. That will leave all the available goodness to go down through the stem and the leaves to form a nice big bulb for next year.